done.
I got bit! Oh! I got bit!
A small shop in Colombia ended up in the path of some runaway cows. Not a single item was left on the shelves after their visit, and the guests clearly weren't in a rush to leave. This drive through the California woods took an unexpected turn when a bear tried to open the car with its teeth.
没东西给他吃。哇！快！快走！哇！ A family of polar bears wanted to explore this person's house. A cougar family in Montana clearly had their eyes on a new home. They kept showing up outside the person's house like they were planning to buy it.
Please see that the bears are going to get in the garage.
Holy
right there.
Look at him! Stop, please call.
The owners of this house had no choice but to sit in their car and watch as a bear tried to break into their garage.
Scary.
Holy cow! Ah! Look! Look! Oh my God!
You scared
Look! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look! Ah! Oh my God!
The door is not in the garage.
No! He just cleaned it!
By his mouth!
Oh! Come on!
Just took off.
I'm taking a little video.
You almost charged that car.
He did almost charge the car. Oh my God.
The person who filmed this had left the kitchen window open, and a bear took advantage. Once inside, it had a great time, including a midnight snack and a house tour. Luckily, the owner had locked the bedroom door before going to bed. Early in the morning, the bear left the house the same way it came in. Monkeys in this part of Thailand usually relied on tourists for food, but there were far too few of them in 2021. So two rival monkey gangs broke out into a street battle over resources, right in front of stunned drivers.
รถต้องหยุดรอกันแล้วล่ะครับตอนนี้
Hey, wag na lang ako sa ito.
Coming through. It's in okay, I'm tired now.
Hard to imagine what this must look like from inside the house. The car owner had left some food inside and forgot to lock the doors. A hungry bear made the most of the opportunity.
Батя, ты куда пошел, эй? Отец! Да! Отец, ты куда идешь? Он сейчас кинется на тебя. Уйди оттуда. Отец, занимайся. Прыгнет на тебя, что делать будешь? С ума сошел. Конечно. Принюхивается уже. Уйди! Рот! Че, отец? С ума сошел, уходи оттуда. Отец, 5 минут и во рту у него.
No.
Robbie, go away.
In her yard discovered that someone took her hospitality a little too far. A cougar entered her home and fell asleep.
Ushi, bye. Ushi, go. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to eject you if you carry on like this.
Sí, pues sí, yo no. Ya está uno en la puerta.
Winter gatherings of grackles in North America are nothing new, but this flock in a parking lot surprised, if not slightly scared, everyone around.
After the rainy season in India, thousands of crocodiles ended up in nearby village streets. Locals came together to help one of them return home. A quiet neighborhood in Sao Paulo turned eerie when a jaguar started running through the streets.
Ó, sai daí, esconde aí a onça aí, ó, esconde aí. Esconde aí, fecha a porta aí, ó. झुकने को तैयार नहीं। ये देखिए लोगों ने पानी भी घेरा है। ये जयपुर का आलम दिखा रहा हूँ मैं, जयपुर की मेन सड़कों का जहाँ पर ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया है। देखिए गए, ये देख सकते हैं आप। थोड़ा जनता आप और ये गाड़ियों में देखिए जनता भी भाग रही है, गाड़ी भी भाग रही है। ये देखिए किस तरीके से ये कोई भी पीछे हटने को तैयार नहीं। ये देखिए ये दोनों में से टस से मस होने को तैयार नहीं। ये देखिए किस तरीके से भागा है और ये देख सकते हैं।
Spotting a sea lion in Punta del Este, Uruguay is nothing out of the ordinary. They usually stay within the port, but Roberto is different. This time he decided to take a siesta right on top of a parked car.
Mira, pejerrey, aquí lo escupe. Aquí el pejerrey lo escupe.
Guess who's coming to dinner? Rui. G'day, Rui. Rui wants a midnight snack. How you going, boy? You want a midnight snack? No? No? Okay. Bye.
มันไม่กัดกันจริงหรอกนะมันได้แค่นั้นแหละเอาแล้วโดนแล้วหนึ่งหลุมนะไอ้ตัวเล็กตัวน้อยก็ไม่กลัวอะไรเลยดิไอ้ฝั่งนู้นสูงน้อยกว่าอีกนะตัวนี้ตัวเล็กไอ้ตัวนี้ตัวใหญ่ฝั่งนู้นตัวเล็กแต่มันก็ไม่ยอมแพ้นะเว้ยโอ้แพ้ไม่ได้หนูนะตัวนั้นโดนนะตัวนั้นโดนนะมันเป็นการรู้ไหมเป็นพักกันมันส่งไฟนะเว้ยดูเถอะ
In some countries, floods are dangerous not just because of the water. Just to give you an idea, these people pulled a crocodile out of it.
ท้ายสุดนะबस बस धीरे 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 बढ़ाते रहो धीरे 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 बस रोक लो धीरे धीरे बढ़ाओ धीरे धीरे बढ़ाओ चलाओ 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 चलाओ
Oh, there's a video!
Get back, go. Camera.
Hey, big fella. What you doing, big fella? Huh? You're gonna attack me, aren't you? Huh? You're a big boy. You're a big boy.
No, because he's going to freak out. We used to have a kangaroo and he did exactly this and killed himself.
Pakcik. Takut ikut tadi retap nih, Bang. Besar sekali. Besar sekali ya, guys.
Iya, Pak.
Ikat lunali gua, Bang, ikut nih. Ikat lunali. Gua kasih Bang.
Santai ya. Kita ada tinggal Bang.
Ular kobra di desa Mulawari. Mulawari besar sekali. Sekali pemirsa. Waduh. Woi, mana aja, Bang? Ular kobra ya. Perlu. Parah, guys. Jangan pergi ke bangku. Ular kobra di desa. Tunggu kiri-kiri, guys.
Kunias. Tarik kuning deh.
Aku. Okay. Dapat.
In 2021, Australia was hit by a mouse infestation. According to witnesses, the rodents were everywhere, from crop fields to people's pants.
Ray, back up, dude. What the? Play it where it lies. Play it where it lies. Alright, come here.
Nah. Wow. It's like. Oh, it's licking the car.
Oh,すげえ.
I want to stick my hand out.
Slap its ass.
Slap its ass. It's drinking the water, right? すごい. We're like, 待って、お水の
These two moves seem to have brought all activity on the street to a halt. Everyone was watching him.
I haven't either. I got the door between me and you.